Hey guys, this is Colleen. Today I will be unboxing Angelic Pretty's Little Witch, the 2020 Halloween release. As you can see, I'm already wearing the black colorway of Little Witch. I actually got this through the Japanese online store. It wasn't as much of a bloodbath as we thought it was going to be, and it was still fully in stock at the end of the week, which is really great because everybody was able to get the piece they want. So for the lavender colorway, I went through Kenshi shop since we didn't know how coveted this piece was going to be, and she was able to give me the lavender OP, the socks, and also the headdress. So I got the black because it fits my wardrobe more, but I felt like the lavender was really cute on Risa in the photo book, so I decided to try that as well, and I'll decide at the end to see which colorway fits me more. As I'm already wearing the dress, I'll just have to let you guys know that this dress does fit really tightly. There is no sharing whatsoever, and the waist is 25 to 26 inches instead of the usual 31 to 32. So I would definitely advise people who are thinking about the sizes to get possibly the JSK, which has way more sharing. Okay, and here is the headdress. And unlike the past kind of bat headdresses, it actually have like a really stiff fabric here to hold up the shape very well. So I'm really grateful Tenshi was able to get me the socks because they were sold out on the site. It was really difficult to get many of the accessories that went with this set for this release. The socks have the drippy moon detail that we saw on Holy Lantern, and they also have little witch hats, moons and stars, and crystal balls and cats to match with the motifs on the dress. Here is the apron that's included with the Little Witch OP. It has really cute detailing with stitching on the front and a little bow, and it's completely detached from the OP so you can wear it with other coordinates as well. Here is the OP. So this just has one big zip in the back. Sometimes the collars have buttons, but they don't here, so it's a little easier to put on. But as I said, the dress is very tight, so it's quite hard to get it on. The bow has little moons and stars on the bottom, and there is no waist ties on this OP, so you really rely on the apron to get the shape. And the sleeves are lined. There's like a chiffon layer underneath, as well as this overall sparkly chiffon that has little sparkle details on it, which is really cute. It's a little hard to see in photos, but it's really beautiful in person. This dress is fully lined, which makes it a little warm to wear, but it should be perfect for the fall season. Here is the inside. So very well lined. Okay, now I'm gonna try the coordinate on all together. Hi, I'm back, and as you can see, I'm changing to the lavender OP. This is a lot sweeter than the black one. I'm still kind of getting used to it. I'm not really sure which one I like better. I think this just has like a different vibe and look than the black. Unfortunately, I don't have enough space to include full body shots in the video, so I have added the coordinate photos here. For the black colorway, I'm wearing a traditional witch's hat from Antique Beast. This is a very classic coordination given the dress is witch themed. It's very Halloween appropriate. I think the black is very subtle and versatile. It can easily go with white, lavender, pink, or yellow accessories, headdresses, and outerwear. The lavender colorway is just really sweet and lovely. It is a more saturated lavender and will go really well with white, pink, or yellow. There is no black on the dress, but I imagine if I swap out a couple of the bows, that can also be kind of a cool accent color for it. I'm wearing the full set here just for the video, so I'm looking forward to styling this differently later. I feel that both colorways are uniquely cute in their own ways. The black is definitely more wearable for me personally, as I don't wear pastel sweet that often, but the lavender is just so cute and happy. I really want to try wearing it more and try coordinating it with different items. So please tell me in the comments if you like one over the other and the reason why. Alright, let's take a more detailed look at the set. The OTKs are a lighter lavender compared to dress material. I really like the ghostly cat and bat on here, as well as the drippy detail on the top. That's always like a favorite. The apron and sleeves both have this pleated detail that's very nice. All the bows are detachable, so you can swap them out if you wish. There are a few of the star-shaped buttons on the front and also on the cuffs. These are real buttons, you can unbutton these. The tarot card on the print is the moon with 2 kitties. And there are potion bottles and broomsticks, books, candle, but no bell. And most importantly, there are 2 pockets on this dress. Thanks for watching the unboxing. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. Hope to see you again next time. Bye!
Hey there guys, thank you so much for tuning in. So this is Kulaine. Thanks for watching my unboxing. So as you can see, I'm wearing the lavender Little Witch today. I'll be doing an unboxing video for the black OP. I'm trying to decide between the two. My wardrobe is predominantly black, so I'm really excited to have this lavender. It's a little different. I hope you'll leave a comment.
Thanks for nothing. And please let me know in the comments if you liked it or not. Detailed stitching on it to kind of show bat-like